It's not very often I get mad. Baby girl, would you like to say anything about that situation?
I almost punched her.
You almost punched somebody?
Yeah.
You don't never see father get that mad, do you?
No.
I got 2 words for you.
What they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
Team, we break
This is a pirate's helmet. I don't know, it's not.
We're working on our describing skill. This is the Salt Princess discussing things.
That's a Bronco.
This is actually
Shoulder pads.
This is just straight shoulder pads. They're very standard. Remember when I bought Lanny Julius's unit, the Oakland Invaders football scout, and I had like 50 of those from the team?
Yeah, these aren't very comfortable, you guys. I've never worn them, but him putting it on made it seem like they weren't comfortable.
But don't get that confused, because just because something's not comfortable doesn't mean it doesn't protect you, because comfort causes failure. You get too comfort in things and you slack off and there's no protection.
What the hell? Oh, I just cussed on camera, my bad. But anyways, we're $1.
Cuban.
Ooh, it's signed. We're $1. I'm $1 richer at least.
You can keep that, girl.
It's signed by, oh no, it's good.
Can you get in here with that light?
Yeah.
We're looking for gold rings. We're looking for Mont Blanc pens. That's a Caballero eBay. What do we have here? Is that sterling? It looks like sterling. Very cowboyish. This is actual cowboyish stuff. Business card holder. Candy bar.
Ew. Kit Kat.
Okay. Right here. Cross.
Does it say cheerleading? I don't want it.
This is gold filled, I think, possibly sterling. That's the eBay cross pen. The prepaid legal service. Pretty much gone through this stuff here. We're going to load up the trailer real quick of what sellable stuff there is. We're going to put the paper to the back, and we are going to continue to go through these boxes and finish up this reveal here. Stay tuned. We're going to do that real quick. Give us a minute, and then we will be back to our regularly scheduled program. Cut to commercial break.
This commercial is brought to you by Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola makes the best empty cups you find in a storage unit with bonus buys. Shout out to you. A lot of bull crap. Very obsolete-ish. That was what obsolete-ish. Very minuscule flower pot. Cords. Yikes, office stuff. Do not send cash. Movie kit, isn't that cute? All right.
Netflix and chill.
Sponges.
This can be your new girlfriend. It's a pedicure kit.
For who?
It's your new girlfriend.
Oh, my new girlfriend. Thank you for making fun of your that is single life. Here we have more personal stuff than you can ever shake a stick at. We're going to see if they're going to give us a hard time about returning all the personal stuff. Because by law, we're not supposed to take this. Come on, 8 grand. Most of this stuff is like documents, things with someone's social legal take it somewhere. It gets into the wrong hands. And poof.
Playbook. Can't let that get into the wrong hands.
Fire. This is not personal, so this is gotta go. Grambling State University. Okay.
That could be funny.
Personal paperwork.
Personal.
Photos. That's not, that can't stay.
This is literally someone's house.
It's somebody's business and it's very personal document. Did I go through these?
You didn't go through that one.
No. Books. Boom. What's it on the box? Boom. Good paper. We can take that. This box needs to go. The history of Coca-Cola. Paul Miller. That's kind of cool. Finally found something worth showing. That's it. The rest is going to just jump. We have to dispose of. I didn't want to show these because they have. Envelopes. It's plastic cups from around the office. This desk's got to go. More phones. Hashtag don't take it personal.
More piece of paperwork. See, I'm getting tired by how boring this unit is.
What are these?
This one is the
Oh,
queen.
that's you.
That no. This one is the king. That one's
Okay,
the
that's me.
queen. I think I know my chess pieces. So there's a knight back here, a little horse. He broke him.
Okay. I went through this really quick because I got things to do. And I like to try to go slow these days, but I know these units like this are not just going to be full of great things. And it's kind of got to show you just how it's done. This is some really low-end sellable stuff here, but I have to take it. The desk, everything. All this is personal documents. It's all people's... There are things for when they apply to buy a house. It's all the most sensitive stuff that there is. You're not supposed to take this stuff. A little bit of personal paperwork. You saw the the De La Salle jerseys and stuff. The trophies will go back in too as well.
We're done with the unit or whatever. And there's only just personal paperwork. It's blurry now again. There's only personal paperwork in all these thingamajiggers. You know, it's all personal. But we don't take things personal around here. It's all personal paperwork. And we done these. Taylor's all done. Oh, this is heavy in one hand. CB. Frick. Peace.
Paperwork, all those deeds and everything that are legal by the state of California to take off the property. Everything with their bank accounts, everything, because it was, they did home finance, so everything on there is not something I'm supposed to possess. It's supposed to be something that's left. So there is a lot of boxes left there. It's all documents that I'm not supposed to be in possession of. Go ahead.
Okay, well, I went and checked. You're gonna have to box all that up and take it with you. Anything that has a social security number, some pictures, little boxes, I could take a few boxes, but
So
not
you
that.
want me to move the entire lot of everybody's social security, bank account number? You want me to do that? You're
Yeah,
going on record
because
saying that, because
you-
trust and believe, I know exactly the rules, so
Yeah.
you want me to
Yeah,
take
'cause
that sensitive
part of
material.
that rules is for you to.
I know
empty
it,
that
trust me, I
unit.
buy 1,000.
Okay. Well, I have my boss on the phone.
Cool. You want me to move all the documents that have social securities, bank accounts, everything for the loan company that I'm always supposed to leave? You're saying that, right? I want you to say that.
We want you to box it up. You can't.
Ma'am, it's already boxed up. It's already boxed up. The whole entire unit's boxed up. I got it on video right now. I don't know what you mean box it up. I don't leave trash. It's completely 100% documents that I'm not supposed to take. I do this for a living.
So, Raquel, you can go out and verify that it is information that it has
Go ahead.
personal information for the tenant.
It's a loan and title company.
Your responsibility to take it, and then you're supposed to bring it into the office, not leave anything in the unit.
I know the rules, ma'am. I do this for a living, trust me.
So do we.
Yes, I know.
We're just stating that it is your responsibility to clean out the unit and bring any personal items.
And sensitive documents. You're not allowed to take social security numbers, bank account numbers. You're not supposed to have that in the possession of my hands, because if I take that to the dumps and somebody who has $1 million in the bank gets their credit card stolen and you guys allow that to happen, it comes back on you. And trust and believe that is the law.
That's actually that's not pursuant to California lien code when it
Oh,
comes
yeah?
to self-storage.
Are you sure about that?
I am 100% correct.
All right, I just want to make sure I got that on video that you said that. Thank you. I'll be back. It's not very often I get mad. I really don't. Like, when I get mad, I get mad. I have a hard time controlling my temper and my energy inside of me. Now, I'm a very, very calm man. I'm in there. I move in the facility. I come in there. This woman in the white truck, not showing people on here, obviously a little intoxicated. In my personal opinion, she was on meth. Is parked in front of the damn unit. I don't mind if she's there. I let her finish strapping off. I'll get started when you're done. There's another gentleman in front of her cleaning out his unit. I don't bother people, you know what I mean? Like, I know etiquette when I see it. I've been dealing with storage units for some time. Michaela Jordan and I sat there in the truck waiting for the one gentleman to get his job done so that he can move forward and I can pull up and do my job in an orderly fashion the way I want to. This woman leaves, right? As soon as she leaves, her boyfriend shows up walking with an attitude, opens up his unit and tells me, oh, you have to move. You're in front of my unit. A truck's going to be here in 10 minutes. The lady just took off, right? Leaves. I'm like, dude, I got to finish what I'm doing right here. I didn't bother anybody else. Just let me do what I'm doing real quick. I'll be up out of your way. Dude gets an attitude. I brush it off. I'm getting an attitude already. Michaela Jordan was in the bathroom. She didn't see this. I just go about my business, keep doing what I'm supposed to do. The woman comes back with an attitude, ranting right off the bat. I gotta be out of here at 6 o'clock. I'm not paying $300. Like, screaming at me, basically telling me what I need to do. I got like 17 minutes tops of putting everything back in the trailer and truck and getting done there. So the lady, I'm gonna go tell the manager, this ain't gonna happen. I gotta be out of here. Well, you ain't the only one who needs to move today, people. We all got problems. We all got things to do. I'm doing something just like you are. Speeds off, jumps in her truck, peels out. First thing Michaela Jordan says, there's a speed limit here, ma'am, to herself. She says it under her breath, really. But she's a little smart out like her father. Lady rants in the office, goes in there, comes back. The lady tells me I need to move so that she could do her job. I got 15 minutes left at this point, maybe 14 minutes left to work. I need to stop what I'm doing, move everything of mine, take my truck and trailer, turn it all the way around so that this woman can pull in. Not to mention, as soon as the manager says something, the lady starts screaming at me, talking smack. I told her, don't talk to me. Leave me alone. Starts ranting. Her boyfriend says something. Michaela Jordan jumps in like she's going to do something. Please don't talk to my father. He asked you not to talk to him. Don't talk to my dad. I lost control at this point. Like, I got mad. The guy starts opening his mouth, running his mouth to me. Came close to putting my hands on somebody. I don't believe in physical violence. I'm very hard to push me out of my element. You don't want to push me out of my element, because there's a reason why I don't snap like that. I keep myself in check. Completely out of control because this woman doesn't want to deal with the tweaker lady, because the lady's ranting in her office, about to try to basically skip out on rent. She don't want to pay, so she wants to get her stuff out and be done, so she wants to come back. She'd rather avoid the problem with her and tries to make me, the calm guy, Mr. Nice Guy, make me take. Well, this lady's screaming at me. I'm not having it today. Ain't no tweaker gonna tell me what to do, how to do it, and rant and rave at me while I'm doing it. So then I get done, I leave, I go to the office. The woman wants to be rude now. Ask me if the unit's clean. Of course, you guys watch me clean out every unit. Now, I know my rules, and this unit's full of title paperwork. It was a loan, a house loan type real estate situation, meaning all the sensitive documents are people's files. It's somebody's everything. It's everything they needed to get a house. They put their social security number type stuff, addresses, social security numbers, credit cards, everything they need to try to get approved for a huge loan. All the stuff that I'm not supposed to touch. In the state of California, and I think it's pretty much everywhere, You're not supposed to take legal documents. They always say that you leave the legal documents. I took everything, the trash, the broken, everything I can think of. I left the boxes organized. There was 4 file cabinets, no boxes to put them in. It's all sensitive documents that needs to be shredded. I tell her I'm not supposed to do that. She wants to call her boss. They want to tell me I need to remove this stuff. I'm like, no, I'm not moving the documents I know I'm not supposed to. I take this, I go to the dumps, I go to the recycling center. Somebody down there, you know, Steve Smith, who ain't got nothing to lose, takes that stuff, goes and does credit card fraud. It comes back on somebody. That's why there's a process to why you don't take this stuff. Try to tell me you got to move it. I'm not having that today. I'm not being told what I have to do when I know the rules. I clean out all the dirt all the time. I sweep the stuff. I take what I'm supposed to. Y'all see on the little video, I have a little clip of her telling me I need to. I'm 99.9% sure I'm not supposed to touch that stuff. I know that I have to leave. I do it all the time. Public storage, we did it recently where Alex had that cleaning unit, was all same documents. Public storage kept the unit. They shredded it. They did what they had to because they play by the rules. This little crooked facility that I don't even go to in the first place generally because it's known for that place to be in thievery. That's why a lot of people stop doing their auctions because they're known for going through the damn units. My blood's boiling right now. You guys could probably tell that I am not one to get frustrated that often. Baby girl, would you like to say anything about that situation?
I almost punched her.
You almost punched somebody?
Yeah.
You don't never see father get that mad, do you?
No.
It takes a lot to push my buttons.
What happened was when the guy touched your stuff at the flea market.
When the guy touched my stuff at the flea market and he tried to tell me he was going to do things to me and this and that, and he called me a pink hair. And
what did Alex say to him?
He tried to cuss, and he cussed at my daughter or something, told her to mind her own business and don't speak, and that's when I lost it. Like, you don't talk to my children like that. You can talk to me, and I'll tolerate it, but you have some respect when you speak to my children.
Alex said something really funny to him.
He said slide. Slide at me. Yeah, because that's how Alex talks. Alex has a little more of less of a temper to me. Woo! Nonetheless, let's do a quick recap after all that high intensity drama. That unit sucked. I'm going to retract that statement because I can't cuss. It sucked.
Vacuums.
We can't even use those words anymore on YouTube because it's dangerous. That unit was horrible. I paid $50 for it. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. I always say lazy money don't make money. I had the feeling it was somebody's personal stuff mixed with their business. I didn't know what would be in there. I gambled because I needed to buy some stuff and wanted crunch time. We found some cool things. We found that Grambling University flag. It's for an alumni party or something. We found the Grambling University yearbooks. I think we left those with them because that was... No, did we leave those? Yes, I think we did. We left a whole box of football stuff because it was like Suns memorabilia, etc., etc. A whole slew of cheap, low-end office stuff, probably like $100, $150 and stuff by my calculations. The little bit of eBay is the Grambling University jacket, the Letterman sweater coat. The new things in the box that I can't even pronounce right now because my brain is flustered. I usually have a good memory for this. The Qualcomm or something. I don't know. I think I'll make like $100 on that unit, tops, if I make anything. And nonetheless, at this point, I don't even care. I'm so irritated right now with storage facilities, storage managers, and tweakers. Tweakers, get off this stuff. Clean your act up and show some damn respect for other human beings. Life ain't entitled. It ain't all about you and what you got to do. I'm sorry your problems that escalate to where they are and you got to be up out of there. And situations arise, but we all got problems. And show some damn respect to other human beings and treat people the way you want to. Blessings, everybody. Say something, Kayla Jordan, positive and inspirational.
It's raining.
Oh, baby, it's raining. Blessings, everybody. Much love.
That's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system. It's simply how we've existed. To choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.